In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up folders in Notion. Even though Notion doesn't use traditional folders like your computer does, you can get the exact same organization by using pages as containers. Think of a page as a flexible folder that can hold other pages inside it. Keeping your workspace tidy and logical, start by creating a new page from your sidebar. On desktop or the web, look for the plus icon or the new page button in the sidebar and click it. This opens a fresh page that will act as your folder. If you like to keep things orderly from the start, you can drag this new page up or down in the sidebar to position it exactly where you want it to live. Next, give it a clear, purposeful name. A simple title like Projects or Work Archives instantly tells you what belongs inside. Pick something you'll recognize at a glance later, especially if your sidebar is busy. Good names make it easier to decide what goes where and help your future self avoid hunting around. Now, make it stand out visually with an icon. Click Add Icon at the top of the page, then search for Folder. Choose a folder icon you like, so your eye can find it quickly in the sidebar. This small touch goes a long way when you have a lot of pages. If you want to make it even easier to spot, you can adjust the icon style to match your theme or pick a color that contrasts nicely with other items. With your folder set, start adding sub-pages inside. Open the page you just created and type / then the word page to insert a new sub-page right inside. Give each sub-page a clear name that reflects its contents, like Q1 Planning or Client Assets. If you already have pages floating around your workspace, you can simply drag and drop them from the sidebar into your new page. When you see the slight indent in the sidebar under your folder page, you'll know it's nested correctly. This approach helps you consolidate scattered information without recreating anything from scratch. As you build out your structure, collapse the parent page in the sidebar to keep everything compact, and expand it whenever you need to dive in. That's all there is to it. Create a new page, name it clearly, add a folder icon, and place related pages inside, using the / command or drag and drop. You've just built a clean visual system that works like folders, but with the flexibility Notion is known for. Thanks for watching.